Session 9 of the Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend will cover exercise for chronic conditions. We'll look at the relationships between exercise and these chronic conditions and how exercise can be used as both a treatment and a prevention modality, and how the condition can impact your exercise programming. This covers immunological disorders, it covers metabolic disease, orthopaedic disease, pulmonary diseases, cardiovascular disease, and neuromuscular and degenerative disorders. The Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend is being held in September 2018. This is open to all Perth health and fitness professionals, trainers and coaches. This is going to be an intensive, information-dense learning weekend, and it'll leave you with an incredible depth and breadth of knowledge and hundreds of practical applications in the fields of exercise, of fitness, and the business of being a fitness professional. So invest in yourself, invest in your business, and supercharge your personal, your professional, and your business development. You'll take your value and your expertise to a whole new level. For more details or to secure your ticket, visit rangeofmotion.net.au/fitness industry PD 2018. I hope to see you there.